How to translate videos using HeyGen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learning Lane. In today's video, we're diving into the world of video translation using HeyGen. Whether you want to reach a global audience or simply add subtitles to your content, HeyGen makes the process easy. Let's get started. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Then go to the search bar and search heygen.com. Now click on this first link. Then your HeyGen dashboard will be open. Here you'll see many options, such as instant avatar, photo avatar, template, etc. Again, on the left side of your phone, you'll see home, template, avatar, voice, video, etc. options. Then look at the bottom left side. You'll see an option named Labs. Click here. Now you'll see above that there's an option or box called Video Script. So click on Video Translate now. Now drag the video you want to translate here. Any video can be translated here. But it's better to say that if you want to make a video or an audio here, you'll need credits, and credits should be bought with money. Anyways, click on the drop to upload option here and upload your desired video. But your video duration should be between 30 seconds and 5 minutes. Then after uploading your video, select your preferred language from here. After selecting the language, click on the translate button here. It'll be translated, but you need a video between 30 seconds to 5 minutes here. So my video won't translate because my video duration is only between 5 seconds and 10 seconds. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.